Looking for a highly equipped SUV with superior functionality and reliability? Take a look at this 2019 Jeep Cherokee Latitude in Diamond Black Crystal Pearl. With LED low and high beam headlamps, front LED fog lamps, 18-inch gloss black 5-spoke aluminum wheels, exterior mirrors with turn signal, gloss black side roof rails, gloss black exterior badging, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, blind spot and cross path detection, Uconnect 4 with 7-inch display, Park View rear backup camera, Park Sense rear park assist with stop, SELEC-TERRAIN system, all-weather floor mats, piano black interior accents, 2.4-liter multi-air engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 3038A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.